thinking about 2 a.m. again, and I'm thinking, should I come through? Can I come kick? Can I come kick with you? 2 a.m. again, and I'm thinking about it's 2 a.m. and I'm stuck up thinking about the last time you were behind me, all in the mirror. I could see everything you will be doing. I could see everything looking at me like you love me. No, you don't love me. I never care long as I come first. You come on time, I reverse. You rewind, do it again. Stuck in time, do it again. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, yeah. You don't ever come. Why you never come? Will you ever come and see me for once? Come and see me for once. Why you never come to me? No. Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me? No. It's my time. It's your turn. I know you're right. I know it burns to be in love. I know it burns to be another one of your girls on the side like that. I know you're kind, how you lie like that. I know you're mine when you bite it like that. I know you're mine when you put it like that. Yes, you was right when you put it like that. I know now, I get the point. I hear you loud and clear all this time I've been playing your side. I could've done better shit with my life, but waste no time on you. Got to move on, cause you got me fucked up. I am confused from this point on. Trust nobody, yeah. Out of my body, blowing my fuse, devil, please cut me loose. Please cut me loose. Oh, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, yeah. You don't ever come. Why you never come? Will you ever come and see me for once? Come and see me for once. Why you never come to me? No. Why you never come to me? Why you never come to me? No. Wait, 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 wait for you. Never, never too late, 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 late. Fall through. It's 2 a.m., it's 2 a.m. and I'm on thinking about you. It's 2 a.m. and I first guess I want you. It's 2 a.m., it's 2 a.m. again. How can you blame me? Or I might be thirsty for you. How can you blame me? Or I might pleasure cause for you. How do you want me? I conjure up that coochie for you. Who do you need? I might be that hoochie for you. Do you need me?